Go to View. Click on the section icon. Draw the section line in your workspace. After that, go to Families. Expand the annotation symbols. Go to AnnoSec Head Filled. Right-click on it and select Edit. At this point, you can change the text font, delete, or draw anything. After editing, click on Load into Project. Select Overwrite the existing version and its parameter values. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.